I'm gonna show you how to make fortified wine. And what fortified wine is you just take wine and you add high proof alcohol to it and you bump that ABV up, and it's just really strong, high powerful wine. And you know, you could do it with some bad wine just to make it worth drinking, or you could do it with some really good wine and make some really good high proof wine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of the grappa wine that I had left over. I aged it about 6 months, and link for that's gonna be in the comment section if you wanna check out that. So you're gonna need some wine, you're gonna need some shine, you're gonna need a graduated cylinder, and a proofing hydrometer. So it's just like proofing, you know, real simple. So we're gonna take our wine, we're gonna put it in. This wine is about 10%. And we're about 10%. So we're just gonna add some shine to it until we get it up to where we want it. And I'm putting this at about 30%, about 60 proof is where I want this. I know that's strong. I want it a little stronger. So, yeah, we're getting there. We're about 50. There we go. Right at 30%. And we got a little room left. There we go, right at 30%. So that's our fortified 60 proof or 30% grappa wine. And then now we're just gonna take this, dump it in our bottle. And then we're gonna repeat as necessary until we're full. I ain't gonna make you watch me do that. All right, so when you're done, there you go. You got some 60 proof, 30% fortified wine. Let's give her a taste. It definitely tastes a lot better now than it did a minute ago. It's got that little heatness from the moonshine. That dryness of the wine, that's not bad. Take some not real good wine and turn it into good wine by adding moonshine to it. Seems like adding moonshine to anything makes it better. Shine on.